Good morning, sir. I am Sunny from Team Future Vision. In this video, you will see the working of our project called HackCovid-19. Let's get started.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Laura, a Python-based machine learning program made by Future Vision team. Say coronavirus to see coronavirus statewise cases in India. Say symptoms to listen symptoms. Say precautions to know them. Say stop to close this program. Now speak, I am listening.
Coronavirus.
Recognizing. You will see a pop-up message of statewise coronavirus cases in India on your computer. State, Chandigarh. Active cases, 82. Cured, 316 and deaths, 6. Total confirmed cases, 404. State, Punjab. Active cases, 1,176. Cured, 2,678 and deaths, 98. Total confirmed cases, 3,952. State, Rajasthan. Active cases, 2,925. Cured, 11,274 and deaths, 337. Total confirmed cases, 14,536. This data is taken from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. You can see as much states as you want. I can show cases of all states. Just put name of you want to see in code. Now speak.
Symptoms.
Recognizing. The symptoms of coronavirus are 1 fever, 2 dry cough, 3 tiredness, 4 difficulty in breathing, 5 chest pain, 6 loss of speech. Except symptoms, anything you want to know, speak now.
Precautions.
Recognizing. 1 should take following precautions to avoid coronavirus. 1 clean your hands with the alcohol-based hand wash. 2 follow social distancing especially from one who has cough or cold. 3 cover your mouth and nose with mask and avoid touching the mask often. 4 if you have difficulty in breathing take medical assistance. 5 avoid traveling in these days if possible. We can beat corona by following the lockdown and guidelines issued by our Indian government. So please do not go out. Accept precautions, anything you want to know, speak now.
Stop. Stop.
Recognizing. I am turning off.
This was the working of our project. Thank you.